All right, so we're going to walk through an example of exactly how to provide this to your attorney if you're an iPhone user. So as you can see here, this is just an example of a text message conversation between our client and a co-parent. At the top of the screen, you'll see the opposing party name with an arrow pointing to the right. The first thing you'll do is click that name. You'll come to a second screen that has the name with call, video, and info at the top. From here, click the Info button on the right-hand portion of the screen. This pulls up a generic informational page that has both the name of the other party as well as the mobile or recent phone number. Click on the Edit button on the top right-hand portion of the screen. From here, you want to delete all information with the party's contact name, so first name, last name, or any company information that you have provided. There should only be a phone number represented on the screen. Once that's completed, you'll hit Done, and it'll bring you to the prior page with all of the name information deleted, to where there won't be a picture at the top. It will only include the phone number of the caller on the other side. Once all contact information is removed from your phone, continue to hit the back button until you get back to the original conversation between you and the other party. From here, you screenshot the conversation no different than you would any screenshot you create on your phone. You'll hit the right button and the left button on the sides of your phone, at which point it'll take the picture and showcase it at the bottom of the screen. These are the pictures that you need to upload to your MyCase portal.